Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the location of your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max on any Android device. So first of all, we need to make sure that the Find My Location is actually enabled. So you want to go to the settings on your iPhone, go to the account settings, so you want to tap on your name, then choose Find My. And here, first of all, you want to make sure that your location is shared, so tap on this slider if it's disabled. And also Find My iPhone. This should be enabled. It is also recommended to enable Find My Network so that you can actually locate this iPhone even when it's offline. And of course, you can also send last location, so you can automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. Once these features are enabled, what you can do is now go to your Android device and you want to go to iCloud.com and you need to sign in with your Apple account. And then once you log in, you might need to scroll down in order to find My, and if you open it, you should be able to find your device on the map. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!